Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do the reclassification, meaning that we are going to take each of those four rasters and split them into number of layers as good, very good, best, high, moderate, low. It's called reclassification based on the relevance to the subject matter, which is your energy potentials. So we're going to divide it into three main areas: high, moderate, low, depending on their values around their mean, which is very important, and that is what the other previous work has been done. How other people do it. Some do 5 classes, which you call classes. You see it. These are the degree of classes: low, moderate, high, very low, by attaching numbers to them. Here they're using low numbers to mean low, high number to mean high, but in my own is the reverse. I want to reverse it so that number 1 is a rank, which I have the rank the first, second, third, fourth. So rank 1 will be the highest. I will do only 3 classes: 1, 2, 3. So this is the way I want to look at it, to divide those classes. You see lineament density, heat flow, gradient, but I'm using heat flow. I'm using gravity. I'm not using lithology because you see it's 3 areas. Our own is only that of plutonic with moly metamorphic rocks, and that's the reason why we don't use the lithology here. That is under the gravity study area. Then we open the ArcGIS. Then make sure that we select the layer as the default. Then we'll see this, add those rasters image, hold click the last, add them together. Now they're added. Now we're going to take each of them and class them into 4. Now we'll go to spatial analysis tool, reclassify. Then we'll take the BAS raster, you can see it, then classified, click on it, then 3 classes. Okay, so those are the values. He has been divided for us. So all we need to do, okay, this one for the if we need, or can just leave it like that. Okay, it's okay for us. Then we'll come here, then we have to reverse the order now. It depends which pattern we want. 3 mean the highest or the lowest. Either we're increasing or decreasing. Which way we want it, you can decide. I want the 1 to be the highest, 2 to be the moderate, and 3 to be the low. That is a convention I will use here. 1 highest, moderate, low is 3. Then click on this one. Then I'll inside this raster I'll create another one that I'll call reclass. So inside that one I will write this one BA res reclass dot tif. Save. If we do that, we're going to click on this. That's how we do it first, you see. Then I can remove, see, now I divide into 3 classes. This brown is the highest, blue is the moderate, and 3 is the lowest. And do the same thing for the heat flow. Classified. Same idea, we divide into 3, then okay, then reverse it so that 1 is the highest. Because of the importance of heat flow, I means very important. The same to gravity, those that have the high one have high density construct for geothermal energy. The I 2, 3, so this pattern. Then click on this, then click on this. Now we say heat flow. See heat flow reclass. Save, then press OK. So we can remove this one. We can remove this one. Then we say reclass. Then we reclass. Then we reclass the lineament.
Za ka yi acknowledge ɗin receipt copy, photocopy. invitation in a book launch. On the side on the 18th of October. Jack Azielo Theatre. Wannan su book launch committee din na wanda suke Abuja su suka rubuta ka karɓa sai ne a jikin wannan biro ne. Kana da biro? Alaba shi ne. Ga wani nan? Na? A jikin wannan kawai sai su shi ne da kofi. Shi ciyaman din wani soja ne, retired general, so abin nasa soja yake. So duk wanda aka kai musu invitation wasu sun rubuta sun karɓa.
Amma remain da kamata ka sa remain da a group. A remain da WhatsApp group.
Zan zo wani ya sa group?
Yawa, ai wani bai saba, aka sa wani.
Wai ina jiran za su kawo menene yake cewa kati irin katin nan.
Okay.
Don sun kawo katin shi za a ɗauki mutum. Sai a sa abu. Za su kawo yi time for na gode.
Yawa. So we press lineament, sorry for the inconvenience, lineament, reclass. Save, then we can now reverse, so make sure that where we have high lineament density serve as a conduit for geothermal fluid. So that's why you attach the highest value of high potential, then the moderate 2, and then the low 3. If it is said, then press OK. Now this has been done. I'm into raster, they will remove it. Then the HP raster, reclassify. The HP raster, now classify it into 3 classes. Okay. Then revert this order because of the heat flow. Of course, it's straightforward. Where we have high heat flow must have high potential, moderate, and low. Then set this to say RHP reclass, save, then OK. This is what you have. You can now see it. Or we have this, then this we can now remove. So this is what we have. You can now save this, come back, that's we call a reclassification, to divide it in a number of classes depending on their level of importance to the subject matter. That's why we call reclassification. Then save it, save. So that's what we have, how to reclassify, to divide each of them into 3 layers, high, moderate, and low.